How to add one for all gift card to Apple Wallet. In this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to be able to add one for all gift card directly into your Apple Wallet account. First, on your iOS device, all I have to do is to pull up the wallet icon. This is going to be your interface. You should be able to see two options in here to get started with Apple Pay or for boarding passes and tickets all in one place. Now for one for all gift card, you can try to go ahead and choose on add, and you can also try to go with boarding passes and tickets all in one place. If you tap on get and choose on find apps for wallet, this is where all the applications that you could get for you to be able to use any kinds of gift card to Apple Wallet. The other option that you can go is to use the add to wallet feature, which is going to be choosing debit or credit card option. If you do have those information on hand for a physical gift card, one for all, then you just need to choose on debit or credit card and put the credentials, and that's it. And that is how you add one for all gift card to Apple Wallet.